Okay guys, good morning. This is the Top Salesman. Gusto ko lang mag-shoutout regarding dun sa mga pinagdahandaanan ng automotive sales dahil nga for this moment, after nung MIAS, bumalik na talaga yung economy in terms of automotive sales. Yung market as in talagang nag-aano na po, nagbalikan na uli, unlike before na sobra talaga nagkaroon ng malaking challenge just because of the pandemic. And then sobrang grateful lahat ng nasa automotive industry dahil nagbalikan na at the same time lumalakas sa uli po yung economy ng automotive industry. The good thing about the MIAS is nakita po natin na kung gaano sinuportahan at gaano ka-enthusiast din ng mga Pilipino, ang Philippine market in terms of the new technology ng automotive at lahat po ng mga papasok na bagong trend, bagong technology ng automotive industry like the electric vehicle, the hybrid. Pero most likely ang napansin ko po is talagang grabe, napaka-aggressive ng market ng mga Chinese brand, lalo na po yung Jetour. Grabe po ang Jetour, sobrang ganda ng Jetour. Yung dashing nila together with yung tito nila na mismong para pong concept na European, and yung dashing is para pong Lamborghini Urus na masasabi ko as mechanical engineer by profession guys, talagang sobrang ganda ng technology ng mga EV, ng electric vehicle na lumabas si MIAS. Nandun din po is lumabas na si Lin & Co together with si Changan is nag-exist na po sa market. Ang gaganda rin ng unit ni Changan. Then the GAC, together with the GAC is one of the top notch na isa sa masasabi kong sobrang ganda rin ng technology. Then yun po, syempre hindi papatalo ang Japanese, especially the Nissan, especially the Mitsubishi. May mga upcoming pa po na ilalabas na mga electric vehicle or EVs ang mga Japanese brand. And isa na po ang pinaka-highlight na nung event na yun is when Matteo Guidicelli introduced or launch na Nissan Ariya. And then si Nissan Ariya is one of the top notch, sobrang ganda rin po, and masasabi ko talagang grabe, ang dami na talagang innovation na nangyari sa automotive industry for the past 5 years mula nung pandemic. And then masasabi ko rin na ang technology right now ng Chinese brand is sumasabay na sa Japanese market, and especially in international market like the European market, the American market. Yung mga American brand, yung European brand, sobrang ganda na po. Then nandyan na rin po si Dongfeng, na meron po tayong Dongfeng or yung Diamond Auto Group of Companies is naglabas na rin ng Dongfeng with the participation or with the great kumbaga leadership or with the great dealership ng Diamond Auto Group of Company. Shoutout kay Boss JR Jogi and Boss Robert Gamboa. Mga kaibigan po natin sila po yung mga boss ng mga dealership ng Diamond Auto Group, ng Diamond Motor Corporation Mitsubishi brand, headed by Sir Robert Gamboa, our friend at napakabait at napakagaling na Sir Robert Gamboa. Then together with the Dongfeng, si Sir JR Jogi, isa sa pinaka-icon ng Diamond Auto Group of Company ng Mitsubishi dealership, pero right now he is the head ng Dongfeng electric vehicle. At masasabi ko, they are so great. They have their very unique and so experienced leadership and management pagdating po sa auto dealership. Ayun po, bali I would like also to acknowledge, and I would like also to commend ang isa sa pinakamagandang brand ngayon ng Korean, the Hyundai, with the Hyundai Philippines, with our friend in Hyundai Philippines, si Kuya Jason Valderoeda, sales trainer Hyundai Philippines. And marami pa po tayong friend na sales head ng Hyundai, like the Hyundai Commonwealth and Hyundai Pasig and Hyundai. Guys, for me, sobrang grateful for being part of the automotive industry. This is my bread and butter, at maraming salamat po sa lahat ng mga kaibigan natin at lahat ng mga sales head, company owner, company president, CEO ng lahat ng dealership ng mga kaibigan ko, together with the Auto Hub, our very own friend or ano natin, boss na sa President CEO Sir Willie Titen, the legendary and visionary Willie Titen, then the Diamond Auto Group, the CEO and President, my boss before, Sir George Balaylak, and together with yung mga friend natin with the Evolander Motor, yung mga head dyan, sila Sir Ben, sila Sir Noel, at marami pang iba. And guys, for me, papos mga abangan natin in terms of EVs is yung tinatawag na BYD, then nandyan din ang Chery, then nandyan din yung tinatawag natin na GMC Motors, JAC Motors, together with the Astora Auto Group of Company. Nag-launch na rin sila ng bago nilang marketing strategy, yung partnership that of electronic vehicle na Chinese brand na with the European concept. At masabi ko, Chinese brand is one top-notch electronic vehicle to dominate the market. Right now, they are dominating the market. And guys, yun lang for me. Maraming salamat for always stay tuned in my vlog, in my channel, The Top Salesman. Maraming salamat po for always supporting me and believing in me. At naniniwala po ako that God will make a way. To God all be the glory. Always keep praying and keep the blessed. God be the glory and nice. Have a nice day. Bye.